Okay, so I got a new video for you guys, and, well, I don't get a lot of views. I gotta check to see if the dogs are still here. See if but, I got a video. Got some new kittens today. So, we got the lawnmowers in the shop. The two lawnmower, it'd be three. The three lawnmower videos. The one about the Troy-Bilt. I still have the Troy-Bilt. But we have another lawnmower in progress. So pretty much I'm gonna show you here in a second. We have the new Dixie chopper. It's 50-inch cut deck. The Troy-Bilt is a 42-inch deck cut. So it's a 42-inch deck. And we have a Hustler that sometimes comes here. There's a mud dog right. Sometimes the Hustler is here so we can mow the lawn with it because it's not as, well, fucked up as the Dixie, but well, I also have new weed eater, which is pretty good. Trail. Isn't that trail? Oh, it's all the way back. Okay. But I'll show you in, like, give me 5 seconds. This is the Dixie chopper, as you can see. It's the Magnum. Then this is my Troy-Bilt. Troy-Bilt pony. 7-speed transmission. Oh, hi, Rita. Kitty. Oh. It's a 7-speed transmission. It's a 7-speed transmission, 42-inch deck cut. I don't remember anything else. Oh, Dixie, stop being so loud. This kitty's gonna leave, so you can't have him. Her. It's actually a girl. Her name is Garfield. It's fucked up, but trust me. I guess it works. There's my cat sitting right there on the wall. But no. I have to edit this all together. This is gonna suck for a while. But no. We got some work in progress on an old LT16 Snapper. It's a 1985 model, I think. Just pacing around the freaking house. Of course, that's what I do. 85 from other videos I've seen. But, yeah. That, and then we have Central Park. Got a new exhaust here a while back, but here soon it's going to also get a new throttle. It's going to be a foot throttle. But then I have to figure something out for choke. That means more holes that I have to make. Which is never good. It means we have to get to the carburetor, which always sucks ass. This is not child friendly. Now that I notice. I have one chore, which is just dishes. I could pop a granola bar out. What is this? Peanut butter chocolate chip. Sounds like a good idea. And if you guys are also wondering why did I not record in the basement sometimes else, if you are, I doubt anybody will. Nobody gives me the questions. So, I had a couple of basement videos. If you remember my old channel, I need to take it down, but I don't know what account it's on. That's always a problem with that. I think it's on my mom's account still. I used to record in the basement. That was the first account that I had YouTube had a channel. Ow, fuck. And if you know what I recorded on them, well, you're fucking lucky. We used to have an old Acer Chromebook. And the basement's changed a little bit. A little bit, at least. Basement got a couple new friends. A mud dauber and a water bug. Got a couple new friends. My new Xbox. Xbox 360. All of our Xbox 360 and One games. Hard drive isn't plugged in. It's over there. But no. This was the table that I used to have that TV on. This one. Need to record a new video on consoles. Here's my mess. No! Okay. There's yes and yes. Second's right there in that corner. So. But no, I think we're pretty good. Here's the work side. Neat. Gotta have that. Stairs. Well, our TV got changed a really long time ago. Here's the new one. My great idea was I was really angry that day. Because I went and took the remote to the Fire Stick. We used to have cable. So this was new to us. We always had cable. So, issue struck. It's my controller. It's not mine. I didn't buy it, but oh, say hello. Say hello, Radar. Yeah, interesting. I guess I can be outside for a little bit. Damn! Damn! He's louder than me. So, hey, out! Radar, out! Got me some off-brand shit. Because my mom is cheap. Hey! Out! Come on! Get out of the garage! Get out! And I can't open it for a good second or so. There we go. Off-brand Sprite, 7-Up, whatever you call it. Whatever you use or drink. I accidentally knocked the cat. Move it. Basically, you can say I'm a real farmer. I just don't live on a farm. A lot of people will say, well, if you're a farmer, you have to live on a farm. You know what I say to that? Fuck off. I've stayed on a farm for a whole week. I had had almost nothing to do. Over the past, I think, week, I've been trying to get a hold of somebody. If you watch it, you know who you are. If you know me. So, my old principal, well, basically still old, because we got a new one, which was the vice principal, moved up to principal, because our old principal, well, she retired. Her son is my friend. Do you see where this is going? We've been friends since preschool. Excuse me. Since preschool. Now I'm going into the 6th grade. He abandoned me for basically 2 whole fucking years. I am... Well, he just went homeschooled. We still saw each other occasionally. But no. This year, I think 2 months ago, he came over to my house this time. I had always went over to his house, and he came over here. And me and one of my other friends, who actually lives right up the road, which I'm not saying where I live, or else you guys are going to be like, Rab. She, no, not a girlfriend, but no, she, is a friend on an app that we have. All 3 of us use this same app. I haven't seen Rogan in what feels like months. So, I smashed my foot. So, he's at his grandma's right now. And I couldn't get a hold of him. So I say good morning in our group chat. All 3 of us. Named all of us, but if you know where this is going, I say good morning about maybe 20 minutes later. Good morning. So I asked him if he was up for a call. Guess what he said? He said yes. So, he's in deep shit right now. He couldn't give me a response. In just a chat with me and him, he said, hashtag gets ghosted. I don't know what that means. So I just shake it off for that. I just push it off to the side. I put a couple of things in that chat. I put WTF is going on. Like, what the fuck? And then before that, it was a GIF, a GIF. So, he got that. It said, what is going on? So we call. I told him he was in deep shit. Not talking to me. Because usually we talk every day. Apparently not that this week. So it's Thursday. Motherfucker, it's Thursday! Damn! I also do Twitch. So. I stream. Sometimes. Not gonna lie. I don't do it very much now. Because, well, I just don't know why. the one thing I do know is we're in this in deep shit. So, just looking behind me. Rainer's here at the door. Then Dixie's down there. You can see her. I'm not gonna stream anymore because, I'm not doing anything. There's literally nothing that I get for it. I don't get anything for it. Now, what I wish I could get for it was, well, just stuff. Some money, maybe. I only got $50 in my wallet. I'm not going to tell you where that is, or else you're going to take my stash if you know who I am, or if you live in this house. But no. Radar's still here at the door. I don't know what he wants. Does he want pets or something? Or does he want inside? What do you want, dog? You just want pets? Is that all you want? Is it just that you want pets? Dog's crying all day. I guess I could go and put him up. Excuse me. Yep. I don't know. So, I've got issues with pretty much everything we own. Like my lawnmower. So, what I have to do to fix my issues is I just can't fix my issues with my machines. My machines are my machines. And if you fuck with the choke on any hand throttle and choke, if you fuck with it and get it about half choke, it will actually run. If you're driving, fuck with the choke a little. I got smoke to pull. There was white smoke just pouring out of this muffler with the rain cap on it. You guys have never seen it. That's why I need to make a video with it. Vroom vroom. So, this is going to be entertaining. But first we got to fix up the snapper that I mentioned at the beginning of the video. And every time I try and turn my face cam, there's only one button, and it's the stop button. So, what I have to do, stop the video, turn the camera around, and start the video again. So, this dog's just sitting there. I don't know what does this dog want? What does this dog want? I don't have very good balance, for some reason. Did I take my meds this morning? Yes, actually. Yeah, it's already 12:30. If I wouldn't have done that, I would have been fucked for the day. My face is a little red, but I don't know why my face is red. It's red on camera. It just is red in the mirror, too. It's really red. In the mirror, too. Cheeks are red. I'm fine. I mean, last night I had a whole ass fucking headache. Stayed up maybe 10:30 last night. I got... Yeah. About 10:30. No, we went out Monday and I came home Tuesday. Wednesday. Today's Thursday. No, it's home. Yeah, came home Tuesday. Get a bit confused myself. But no. I've got problems to deal with here. I've got problems to deal with at the farm. I've got shit I need to do at the farm. Like putting four-wheeler tires on the back of a Snapper. 1985 model. Just to give you the fucking... how old this thing is. So, it hasn't run in 20 years. Here's the funny thing about it. Okay, we took off the filter, I think. I don't remember. Or, no, it wasn't the filter. So, we opened up the air cleaner. You know, on older lawnmowers, there's big metal box sitting on top of it. That's where the air filter is. It's called the air cleaner. And took that off. It wasn't bad at all. Now, whenever I looked at the filter, it was a little dirty. Not gonna lie. But it has sat for 20 years. It needs to go through your pressure washer. Power washer. Whatever you call it. But no. So, we get ether, WD-40, and we had a little bit of mixed gas. Fuel line was connected. We put a new fuel line on her. Because the original one from the gas tank to the filter was rotted. It was rotten. So, what we did is we couldn't use the throttle cable. It was all blocked up. It was either wadded up in there because it was moving around so much. It was just seized, if anything. But it was seized. Seized is pretty good. So we went and explored for a while. We came across another throttle cable. It sits upside down. When I say that, I am not fucking around. It sits upside down. So when you pull... Okay, so little handle, it has to be up to be idling. Idle. Lowest, no revving, or anything. That's idle. You pull it down, it revs. And this came off an old hydro, you guys, other YouTubers call it hydromatic. It's a hydrostat. For out in the country. Looks like it's about to rain. Better go put the dogs up. Okay, I'm gonna go put the dogs up before it starts raining. Out. Then we're fucked. Dogs are out. Dogs, kennel up. Mom. Mom. Daisy, come on. Mom. But no, we call it a hydrostat because it's a pedal. So there's a pedal on it, and there's actually 3 pedals. One's brakes, one's forward and reverse. So there's 3 pedals on it. This one was a mowing lawnmower until somebody came from my Aunt Renee's. Basically, I can thank her because it blew up. They blew the engine up. This thing is so hard to do with one hand. Sorry. Alright, friends. So we call it a hydrostat. And we're going to take the forward pedal off of it. They should be probably connected. So you have to cut it down the middle. Just for that pedal. Well, when I take that pedal and we put it on there, on the blue lawnmower, then basically I had to figure out something else for choke. And if I can't choke it during the winter time, it's not right. Fuck! Smack my knee on the door. That means you can't run in the wintertime, and we have to manually choke it from the engine. Which that's... Don't do that shit. Do not do that shit. Don't worry about how I know. So, this thing will be fixed sometime. There's a lot of semis coming around there. But no. So, we're gonna fix that first. I don't give a flying fuck. Okay. So what we have to do is we have to take. This is just new project for me to do. It's adding stuff to the throttle. Is there a way you can link two throttle cables together? I'm gonna have to turn comments on for this video. I need to know that. Extend it. Cause let's just hope it's cable and not. It should be a cable though. No, it's a 6-speed transmission. Neutral, and you have a reverse speed. So that reverse speed is very slow. It's not like I care. I've never cared about a reverse speed, but has a clutch. It's not a hydrostat. It's got a clutch. Do you want to know something? The clutch pedal. It's weird clutch, and whenever you push it in, what the fuck is going on? It is weird as shit. Put a metal pulley on where the clutch goes. That's on there. And we put a new belt on there. I put it back on myself. That was a pain in the ass because I had to have two people. There was two people, me and my grandpa. We took the thing off. He helped with the rest of it because he had the pliers apparently. He has pliers with him all the time. I need a haircut. Gonna get one Saturday, but so yeah, this is gonna be a fun one. So we gotta figure all this out before we go and try and run this lawnmower. Oh yeah, no, I'm talking about the blue one. That's right. It's like, wasn't I talking about the snapper? But no. If anything, I'll probably end up putting a foot throttle on there. Put a foot throttle on there. This has already got 20 minutes.